Hello, in this video I will show you how the right database system works, what full row data tables do, and how to implement them. I am currently working with the Right Edit app, and as we can see, I have a list of purchases. The gray colored columns are not editable. In this case, those are the primary keys in every data that is calculated, like average price in my example. Let's have a look at the specific dataset. I am now going to change the article from this order and item number to Nike running shoe and save the change. A closer look into the database, I see a lot of tables and it might look a bit confusing on first sight. WE is short for Right Edit. After the underscore is the type of table, and at last but not least is the name of the endpoint. For my endpoint facts, I have 4 different tables: data, full data, history, and full history. The full data tables will save the full row with every change that occurs. So even though I only change the article, I can see the full row with the data state in it when I hit the Save button. Looking into the data facts table, only the primary keys and my updated article is saved. With time, the data table will be a table with every change that has been made, not being complete, while the full data table saves everything. The same applies to the table's history and full history. Whenever a change is saved, the history tables will create a new row. Full history will save the full row, while the history table only saves the edited part, plus the primary keys. If I change the article name again, I will now have multiple rows with the same primary keys, but the different article. This makes it easier to retrack what changes have been made, and even who made these changes. If I want to change the Always Save Full Row setting, I need to go to the Right Management console and open the Endpoints tab. Clicking on Edit opens a new window. My endpoint is already set up properly, so the only thing I'm now interested in is this checkbox, Always Save Full Row. By disabling the checkbox, my table's full data facts and full history facts will be deleted and can't be restored. If this checkbox was unchecked before, clicking it will create those tables and every further change will be saved in full rows. Please note that there is a good reason for those 2 different ways in storing data, depending on your use case. If, for example, you have calculated fields that have to be stored in the database, the Save Full Row feature is the better option. If you have multiple users working on the same data at the same time, using the standard data history table is recommended, as they make sure that no data will be overwritten between 2 simultaneous users on the same record.